Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using two of these wooden pallet hangers from Dollar Tree. I start by removing the hangers and brushing on Antique Wax by Waverly on the fronts of them, and then blending them in with a baby wipe. Once those are dry, I take Plaster chalk paint by Waverly and do a thin coat on top of each of those where I covered with the wax. In between the slats, I paint with the Plaster chalk paint, as well as the sides and the back. So it's just the front I used the wax on. And I didn't like the look of it. It was too thin, the paint, so I added another layer of Plaster chalk paint onto there as well. And then I'm taking these two felt desk trays that I got from Dollar Tree and painting them with the same Plaster chalk paint, just the outsides, giving those full coverage on there. I then took some twine and made a knot in it and then stapled it to the back side of the pallet. Did the same thing on the other side, so this will be the hanger on this one. And the knot is to prevent it from slipping through the staple. And then take the other pallet and line it up with the first one with the hanger on it. I staple some twine on the top one and then staple it on the bottom one and do the same thing on the other side. Once I have the staples on there, I add some hot glue on top of the staples to keep that twine into place. And then I trim up the excess twine on there. I then move back onto the trays and add some hot glue in each of them and add floral foam. I took these floral picks that I got from Dollar Tree as well and trimmed those. I added some Spanish moss on top of the foam, and I did use hot glue to keep that into place, and just pushed it down and then trimmed up the excess moss so it was nice and neat, and then added in those floral picks into each. I ended up needing one more. Once I have those nice and full, I just hold it up onto the pallet and see where I needed to add my glue. Added glue on the two bottom slats on that bottom pallet. And then I did the same thing to the top one. Just added the hot glue and then placed down the tray. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.